When you know about these chocolate can be chewy, fudgy, moist, and even much sweeter. Hi, my name is Kyle and welcome to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment, and today I'm going to show you how to make simple and easy homemade chocolate brownies. The first thing that you want to do is preheat your oven for 375 degrees Fahrenheit, so make sure the oven is preheated. I'm going to start by putting 8 tablespoons of melted butter. That would be a half a cup. Half a cup of natural unsweetened cocoa. And then you're going to do, you give it a whisk. So, that. Just blend that in together. And then we're going to put in 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. And then just use the whisk to the butter and the cocoa. So in this combo, I'm going to be in 2 large eggs with a half teaspoon of pure or imitation vanilla extract. Then you're going to do, you're going to use the fork. And you're just going to put that right in here. And then you're going to keep going. Then we're just going to add a dash of salt. So I'm going to switch the rubber spatula from the white whisk. Next we're going to put in half a cup of all-purpose flour. And then what you want to do, you're going to get that mixed together using with the rubber spatula. Now lastly, I'm going to fold in 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Dump that in and then I'm going to fold it in. We're going to be using 8-inch square pan lined with some aluminum foil and then spray with some cookie spray, because it's an easy way to lift up the brownies after it's baking in the oven so it doesn't stick over the pan. And then we're going to put in the thin batter in the pan has been lined in aluminum foil. You can see the batter is nice and really thick. I'm going to use this butter knife to spread it over, and that goes into the oven for 30 minutes. Alright, the oven is ready. Let me turn this off. Then I'm going to take this out of the oven. And then we're going to put it on a wire rack. Okay, it smells good. We're going to let this cool on a wire rack. I'll be back to show you how to cut. Now, after this brownie just cooled on the wire rack, I transfer it to the cutting board from the pan, and I flip it over and then remove from the foil. So it's easy way to clean, it doesn't stick, and flip it upright, and then I like to use the knife to cut it into a square. It just looks like this one. I like to cut it into 12 squares. And there you have it, a delicious chocolate brownies.